how to book for France visa appointment. So if you apply for France visa, I'm going to show you guys how you can book for appointment. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's go to VFS Global, and then you just have to wait for it to load. All right, so this is how it is. So we have Ghana to France. We have Ghana to France. Welcome to VFS Global. VFS Global is the exclusive service provider for government of France and stuff. So let's go. So we have apply for a visa. Note on this platform you can apply for a visa, so you can start now, but we are not going to apply for visa. And also take note, before you book your appointment, you must apply for the visa. You must fill the visa application form before you book for appointment. So the next one, we have book an appointment, schedule your appointment with us. Now we are going to look at how you can book for your France Schengen visa appointment. Okay, so let's move on to book an appointment. Now if today is your first time, make sure you subscribe, like this video. We need my assistant with visa application when it comes to booking appointment. You can link up with me. All right, so let's read what we have here. Before booking your appointment, you must book an Before booking your appointment, you must book an appointment to submit your visa application to VFS Global Visa Application Center. Now, before you book an appointment, you must fill a visa application form online on the official France website. Okay, so you have to move to the website and fill your application form. If you have not yet filled the France visa application form, then you need to click here, and then before booking appointment you must fill. So you just click on this and it is going to take you straight to the France website for you to start your visa application. Okay, so we are assuming that we have completed our visa application form and we are going to book for an appointment. So if you have already filled the application or the visa application form, then you need to click here. Now we have a lot of information here that you need to take your time and go through before booking your appointment. Okay, so make sure you go through. For the sake of time, I won't be able to go through all this information. So let's go through. Assuming this is going to be our first time visiting France. Okay, so accept book an appointment. Okay, so we will tap here and then we'll move on to book our appointment. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and then you like this video to anyone who want to apply for France visa, so that when it gets to the appointment he will be able to do it. Now if it is your first time visiting this platform and you don't have account, now you need to click here, I don't have account, so tap here first and then you need to create your account. After that you get access to book your appointment. It is very easy, and if you know you can't do it and you need my assistant, just check up my links. I have all my services there. You can link up with me with your visa application, and when it comes to supporting you with your visa, you can link up with me and I'll help you out. So create an account by using your email address, by providing a password, very strong password, and then mobile number. Okay, now with the mobile number, don't add the 0. Okay, so here you choose your country. Here is Ghana, and then you enter your mobile number there. After that you check all these terms and conditions and then you hit on continue. Now you need to verify your email. Okay, so just follow the process to create your account. So when done with the account creation, then you need to move back and you verify your account. Then you can start to book your appointment by logging in to your account, and this is what we are going to do. Now make sure you like and then you subscribe if you have watched the video up to this point. So I'm going to log into my account here. Then you need to make sure that you check this and then you hit on sign in. Then you just have to wait for it to open for you. Now there is going to be a code which is going to send to your email address. You need to check that code and then you verify it before you can proceed. So let me check the code. And then we verify it from my email address. Okay, all right. So this is the code here. I need to copy, then I'll move straight to here and then I'll paste the code. So this is the code. The next thing is to hit on sign in. Okay, so I am signing in to my account, and as you can see here, start new booking. I have no booking right now, so I'm going to start a new booking. So I'll hit on start new booking and I need to provide these informations. Okay, now appointment details. Please provide information about the type of visa you wish to apply for. Be aware that the appointment category applicant 1 chooses will be applied to each of the applicants added to your appointment booking. Okay, so choose your application center. So application center is Ghana, and then choose your appointment category. So which type of visa is it, long stay or short stay? Okay, for Schengen you go to the short stay. If you are going for study work permit, you go in for the long stay. So let's go for the short stay and see if you can get appointment. Okay, so choose your subcategory. You come here and then you go through, is it business visit, is it family visit, is it tourist, or you have previous Schengen visa holder issue within 59 months. Circulation, previously issued Schengen visa within 59 months. Okay, so initially there was some information about this that you needed to read. Okay, so here let's go in for tourism and see if we have appointment. As you can see, as at now, we are sorry, but no appointment slots are currently available. So for tourists, no appointment in France. Okay, so let me show you guys if there is an appointment, what you will see. Okay, so let's change this to previously Schengen visa holder issue within 59 months, and as you can see, this is how you are going to see if there is an appointment for you, so date for you or slot for you. So earliest available slot for one applicant is what, 16th December 2025, and what you have to do, just hit on continue to book your appointment. Now when you get here, you have steps 1 2 3 4. You need to complete all these steps to book your appointment. So here, as I said, you need to make sure you have completed your visa application form, and this is what you need to put your application form, the number on the application form, you need to put it here with your first name, last name, gender, email address, no date of birth, your nationality. You just have to click to choose. Okay, and then you move on to passport number. You enter your passport number, down the expiring date of your passport number, then contact number. Okay, that is your phone number. You enter your email address, and then you hit on save to move on you to the next stage and to the next stage. So you complete all this information. So this is how you can book for France appointment. It is very easy to do it. See you in the next video. If you need my assistance with your visa application, just link up with me. See you. Bye bye.